Hey everybody, it's Cameron with Surfboards.com. We're just back with another sneak peek of the spring summer stuff that we're getting in stock. Let me get you turned around. Still shipping out for today. You can see we got tons of new Oakley in, mostly new Oakley shorts so far. We'll have lots more Oakley apparel rolling in over the next couple of weeks. Should be up on our website in just a couple days. And as you can see over here, we have gotten absolutely flooded with Under Armour hats. If you've been watching any of our last videos, you'll see we got some of our boxes cleared up over here. Definitely not all of them. But today is the day of Under Armour hats. So if you are interested at all in any of the new Under Armour hat styles, I'm going to point out a couple, so stick around. These ones are all pre-sorted and already been photographed, so by the end of the day today, most of these should be up and for sale on our website. You've got all kinds of classic styles that you're used to from Under Armour, just the classic Under Armour logo in a flex fit. These ones are going to come in like a small, medium, and a large, extra large. And then they have lots of new ones too. One of the big things Under Armour does is sort of like fishing apparel. And we've got lots of new styles of their fish hook hats. So this is a really funky, cool camouflage hat with the high-vis fish hooks on there. And then we've got similar camo stuff without the fish hooks as well. So lots of really funky designs by Under Armour if you're looking to stand out. And then lots of really sort of understated ones if you're just looking for a nice hat for any day. But we've got all kinds of different styles. We've got the flex fits, we've got the truckers, lots of fish hooks, some good patriotic ones if you need to get ready for Independence Day / 4th of July. So those are available as well. Lots of camo if you're heading into the woods. And then you'll notice we got lots of repeats, like we got a red hat there, a red hat there. We carry them in both adults and children's sizes. So if you're looking to get one to match for your little one, we likely have a very similar one for mom or dad as well. So as you can see, we got a lot of work to do today. Probably, I don't know, 60 different hats we got to get put up. So I'm going to let you guys go for now. Check back in a couple of days, and hopefully we got all kinds of new stuff coming in. I know we got shoes. I know we got a bunch of new rash guards, wetsuit tops, that sort of thing. So check back if any of that interests you. We appreciate you watching the videos. Have a great rest of your day.